Hi Santiago, good seeing you in Alex. Hope you have enjoyed your time.
Yeah,
in
very
this
busy,
event.
but I'm enjoying it.
Yeah. So tell us a little bit. What kind of energy transition you're facing in your company. Letting the audience know a little bit more.
Well, I'm part of Iberdrola. We are a leader company in terms of energy transition since 25 years ago.
Yeah.
And the challenges that we face are the challenges that are faced by everyone. I think I can summarize in three aspects. One of them is that we need to build more renewables. By three. We have to multiply the number. Yeah, we are doing good, but we have to multiply by three. Then the very important thing, we need to build more networks in order to accommodate these renewables. And very important, I also emphasize this side, we need to electrify the demand side. You need to decarbonize the system. We need more electrical vehicles, we need more heat pumps, we need more green hydrogen, we need more solutions that allow us to decarbonize the demand side.
Yeah.
So this is the three key aspects we need to take care of. More renewables, more networks, and more electrified demand.
Yeah, it's exciting to be hearing so much more renewable connections you're getting in. But what kind of technologies are you deploying to helping this journey?
Yeah, well, if I follow these three aspects, so renewables, very well, wind, we're working a lot on offshore wind, solar, so on. Very important storage technologies, so we're working on the battery side, pump storage, okay, very key. As a matter of fact, flexibility into the system is one of the key things we need to work on, and we can deploy more of this argument. And then in terms of the customer side, it's about electrification. So again, it's about electrical vehicles, it's about batteries, it's about storage, flexibility. So this is the key aspects that I think we need to emphasize going forward.
Yeah.
And digital technologies,
Exactly.
which is, I know it was your next question, are key because this is, it's kind of like the brain of the system, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you need to put everything together. When you have a more electrified and digitalized energy system, you need to come with artificial intelligence, machine learning, different techniques that will allow you to make this complex system to work together in an efficient way. So I think digitalization is the key transversal technology that's going to be helping the system to work.
I'm glad you mentioned about digitizations. I think that's also one of the key themes we hear so much in Adelaide this year. But just tell me a little bit more how both of us, two companies, are working together, helping you to achieve what you're targeting.
The more hands, the better. I think the key things are about using data in order to optimize the planning and also the operation and maintenance of key assets, our generation and networks. That's one thing. The other side is empowering the customer to be able to participate in the energy transition through electrical vehicles, through solar rooftops, heat pumps, the different assets that you have the customer side. We need to provide tools to the customer to be able to participate. And then the other thing is, as I said before, we can work together in putting everything together. So the intelligence that is going to be managing the different assets and connecting generation to demand in a way that is efficient and is safe. So
glad we are having these partnerships, and I always say this about the theme that whole ecosystem needs to be working together for this collective goal. Maybe last questions. There are so many different utility companies with the ecosystems. Any advice for them, how we actually move towards the energy transition in that aspects?
Yeah, sure. We'll say that invest more in renewables, in networks, help your customers to electrify, and above all, invest in digital technologies that will allow to put everything together and do it in a way that is good for you and good for the planet.
Yeah, I think let's collectively work together and then to make this planet even much better. Thank you very much. Thank you.